Have you ever frozen in the middle of a simple conversation, like in an elevator, at a party, or in line for coffee and thought, what do I say now? If so, you're not alone. It happens to a lot of people, especially those who are more reserved or introverted. But here's the good news. You can master small talk without forcing anything and without pretending to be someone you're not. Today, I'm going to show you how to have smooth, easy conversations and even leave a great impression, all while staying true to your introverted nature. Let's go. Busting the myth. First, let's break a common myth. Being introverted is not the same as being antisocial. In fact, introverts have a hidden superpower that most people overlook. They're amazing listeners, and in a world where everyone's talking, those who truly listen, they stand out. Ever notice how people love talking to someone who actually pays attention and asks the right questions? That builds connection, effortlessly. The 3 pillars of small talk. Now I will tell you the 3 pillars of small talk. Pillar 1, genuine curiosity. Good conversations start with real curiosity. Instead of thinking, what should I say next? Try asking yourself, what can I learn about this person? Simple but powerful questions. How do you know the people here? Have you been to this place before? What do you usually do on the weekends? Pro tip, ask open-ended questions that are easy to answer. Avoid sounding like an interview. Pillar 2, conversation anchors. Great small talk often starts with something simple and obvious. Use what's around you. These are called conversation anchors. Examples: weather. This heat feels like a desert, huh? Music. This playlist is awesome. Do you like this kind of vibe? Food. Have you tried that appetizer? Way better than I expected. This isn't small talk for the sake of it. It's a gateway to deeper connection if the vibe allows. Pillar 3, short stories. A lot of people think you need to be funny or super talkative to be good at conversation. Nope. The real skill? Telling short personal stories, just enough to connect. Simple formula. Situation. Small detail. Reaction. Example. Last week, I got caught in the rain downtown without an umbrella. I ended up sharing the overhang of a store with a stranger. We just laughed through the whole thing. Total chaos, but it turned into a story. See? It's quick, real, and instantly relatable. The secret: listen more than you talk. Now here's the key. You don't have to say a lot. You just have to listen well. There's a simple trick called the light mirror technique. Just repeat or comment on something the other person said, naturally. Example: them. I went on a trip last week. You. Really? Where to? That shows interest, keeps the conversation flowing, and takes the pressure off you to constantly come up with something new. It's not an interrogation, it's just curious listening. Quick emergency tips. And if that awkward silence shows up, don't panic. Here's what to do. Smile. Sometimes a warm smile opens more than words. Give a sincere compliment. It could be about their clothes, an accessory, or just their vibe. Love that hat. Does it have a story behind it? Remember, you don't need to impress. You just need to connect. Get inspired. So remember this. You don't have to be the loudest person in the room. You just need to be the most present. Next time you step into a conversation, try this simple trio. Ask with curiosity. Listen with attention. Share something small and real. So the next time you're standing in line, walking into a party, or just chatting at work, remember, you don't need the perfect line. You just need presence. Try one of these tips this week and notice how much lighter conversations feel. And who knows, that one little small talk moment could be the start of a friendship, an opportunity, or just a smile that makes someone's day.